Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to give you a technical analysis and a fundamental analysis of an upcoming trade in BTC USD. So let's look at the technical side first. If you see here, you can see a bearish trend here. According to my strategy, this bearish trend might come and tap on this order flow or this fair value gap. The difference between the order flow and the fair value gap is the order flow is just a 50% chance, whereas the fair value gap is a 100% chance. So how this impacts the chart is, if the bearish trend comes and taps on this order flow, the 50% chance is that it might go up or it might come down again. Whereas if the bearish trend comes and fails to go back up and comes and taps at this fair value gap, it's a 100% chance it will go back up. So that's the technical side. If you look at the fundamental side, if any news affects BTC USD, like a news from a celebrity like Trump, the news will give a fuel from here, a push from here, and it will go back up. So that's the fundamental side. It's a very simple trade. If you understand the psychology behind it, you can easily take the trade, because as you can see, it's just a order flow. If it fails to tap here, it will come and tap here for sure and go back up. Simple trade. You just have to understand the psychology behind them. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Follow for more analysis like this. Thank you.